Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and in today's video I will be doing this makeup look found on Instagram. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So let's get into this colorful makeup look. So we're going in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this navy blue right here, this navy blue, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid space. Let's go and blend that.
Feel powerful, but it's me again. Come, lay me down, 'cause I know this,
I'll say it and blend your life away. I'm gonna cut the crease. No, I don't want to cut the crease yet. After it and blend your life away on the grids here. I'm going in with, because any makeup look I'm following, she have like a little white shimmeries on the brow bone. So I want to go into this color right here, and I want to put it in the brow bone. Talk about some of y'all, like, stop talking about me. So now we're back into this same navy blue, and I'm gonna kind of blend out the brow bone so that it wouldn't be so harsh.
please come to me. Don't bury thoughts that you really want.
So now I'm going to cut the crease. Yeah, my elegant primer, a little angle brush, and I'm going to cut the crease.
Cause you know this, cause you know this. Wash over me like a hurricane. I captivate, you're hypnotized. Feel powerful, but it's me again. Come, lay me down.
Yeah, with this little far brush, I'm going to flat brush. I'm going to put this together right here. Okay, so we're going into this green right here. Next, so now I'm going into this blue right here, and I'm going right next to that green.
Please come to me. Don't bury thoughts that you really want. I fill you up, drink from my cup. Within me lies what you really want. Come, lay me down, 'cause you know this, 'cause you know this.
Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is like dipping into all the 3 different colors. So I just put here and kind of blending them together. So what I just going to be doing is like I'll take up some of the yellow and blend it in with the green, take up some of the green, blend it in with the yellow, blend it in with the yellow, and blend in here. You know what I mean? Just you will watch as I speed up the video, you'll see what I do.
These crashing waves wash over me like a hurricane. I captivate, you're hypnotized, feel powerful, but it's me again. Come, lay me down, 'cause I know this, 'cause I know this.
So now I'm going back into the navy blue, like this blue, and I'm gonna you know, kind of clean up around the edges around here, around, you know, but I'm marking with my big fluffy brush to do that. So okay, so she have a little glow going on in the inner corners, right? So I'm going in with this color right here and paint in the inner corners. Now I'm gonna do black eyeliner because I don't have it. So go and line my waterline.
Within me lies what you really want. Come, lay me down, 'cause you know this, 'cause you know this.
I'm gonna take my little brush and just put some of the navy eyeshadow on the eyes and smooth it out. don't have any. Oh, this lipstick here. Okay, so I don't have any black lipstick, but I want to do black lips. So I'm using my same eyeliner because I'm a broke bitch. Anyway, so I use my same eyeliner. I use my eyes and lining out my lips. Okay, I'm gonna try something. This looks sick here by gray. So I wanted to create like a ombre something. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final look.
Thoughts that you really want, I fill you up, drink from my cup. Within me lies what you really want. Come, lay me down, 'cause you know this, 'cause you know this.
Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
These crashing waves wash over me like a hurricane. I got